the AUXTUR high power 3-in-1 blower vacuum cleaner that we got sent so we can show you the features and let you know our thoughts. Let's take it out of the box and see what's inside. So straight away inside, you're going to see that of course it comes with the vacuum itself. Now the vacuum does have 3 speeds and I want to show them to you now. You want to hold this button to activate it. That is the main speed. This is the middle speed. And this is the high speed as indicated by the button. Now the higher the speed that you use, the less battery life that you're going to have. So do also take that in consideration. In the box, it does come with a vacuum. It comes with a carrying pouch, an additional filter. It does come with a USB-C charger. And it does have a lot of attachments. So let's go over some of the attachments here. It has a nice little brush for, let's say, keyboards or little crevices. It does have another crevice brush there. It has an upholstery or floor cleaner. Now these two are for blowing up balloons or mattresses or bags. So you are going to use these for blowing things up. This little piece is for suction. So if you have any of those airtight bags that you need to suck the air out of, you attach this onto the vacuum. And this is part of one of the 3-in-1 features. And this is going to suck the air out of the bags to make it airtight. Then you have these car crevice cleaners. Specifically for your car. All right, before we take it out to the garage, I just want to show you how to attach some of these heads. So to detach this, you're just going to twist. You can see that there's little grooves into the side. But for the sucking, for the blowing feature, you want to attach to the back of the unit itself. So this front is for the vacuum feature. This back is for the blowing feature. So let's take this one for example, and you're just going to fit it in the grooves and tighten it up there. Then you're going to hold the button to turn it on, and it's going to blow. It'll be blowing. Okay, so that's the blowing feature. To use the little suction for plastic bags, for airtight bags, you're going to want to attach it on the vacuum side. So not the fan side, the vacuum side. This attachment won't attach here, so you know that this is the only place that you can use it. So here it is going to now suction. There. So you have that. I am going to place this one back on. Let's take it down to the car and see how it works. So here's the floorboard of the car, and here's the vacuum that we are going to use. I'm going to show you how this suctions some of this debris. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And that's how quick it was. This suction is so strong. It is much stronger than most of the other vacuums that we received. So we would highly recommend.